In this video, you will learn how to use Zip Pay in Walmart. First, download and set up the Zip app. Sign up for an account and link your debit or credit card. Search for Walmart inside the app. Open the Zip Pay app, tap Shop and then find Walmart in the list of supported stores. Make sure to add the items and choose Zip at checkout. Shop through the Walmart page within the Zip app, then select Pay with Zip. When you're ready to check out, Split your purchases into 4 payments. Zip divide your total purchase into 4 equal interest-free payments over 6 weeks. Authorize your purchase in the Zip app. In the 4-store shopping, enter estimated total in the Zip app to create a one-time virtual card. Use the virtual card in Walmart Pay. Open the Walmart app and go to Walmart Pay. Add the Zip virtual card as a payment method, then scan it at the register to pay. Now you know how to use Zip Pay at Walmart. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.